6RA. Day 2 of NYSUT RA.
My favorite part of the RA is the show of force. All the unionists in one place, letting people know that we're loud and we're here and we're not going anywhere.
We are in Albany at the 2026 RA.
This is my first RA, and I'm really excited to see what it's all about.
I am a delegate at the RA because I love to come out and meet my union brothers and sisters and learn new things, represent our members back at home.
The best union ever!
We got to fix Tier 6, and we need to pass the resolutions that support every local statewide so that we're united going into legislative session.